In Bray station again on this cold but sunny afternoon, and what a station Bray station is. Opened in July 1854, a single story building. Only had one platform between 1854 and 1927, and then they built this platform here that was mostly used by the Harcourt Street line up until its closure on New Year's Eve 1958, and known colloquially as the Crystal Palace platform with the glass canopy. And done a video before on the mosaic timeline, which is fantastic to have. But just swinging across here, you see these abandoned buildings here. These are one is the former station master's house, and the other is the let me get this right, the commissioner of I've forgotten the actual term of his position, but somebody wrote it there in a previous comment in the previous video, but I'll get back to that one anyway. But the car park is where there was a turntable, and there was a water tower as well, and all that was ripped up during the dark construction works in the early 80s. And there was an exit there, just over there, just where it says 1 and 3. There was roughly an exit there onto Novara Avenue, and it's very popular during summertime. And then beyond that is where the goods shed was. So you have a retaining wall there and remnants of an old platform, and that was last used, the goods shed was last used in 1974 when it was fully closed. And you have on the other side, there would have been a single story building that was demolished in recent years, and the engine shed was demolished in recent years. So here's my train now. Oh, this one last thing, here's the I don't know if it's still in operation, but the water tower here that was used right up to maybe it was used right into the 90s. I'm not too sure. I have to get some information on that. But there was two of them once. There was one on the other platform right down there at the level crossing. But anyway, here's my train, and I'll please subscribe, and I'll chat to you all again soon. Thanks very much.